Hey yo, what's good everybody? Fly Lopez here with another fly video. You guys already know Sunset Boulevard. Hey, shout out to that city. Yeah, you already know. But yeah guys, I got the new laptop. I'm so happy I got it. It's been a while. I'm so excited to open it. And now only open it by myself. Open up with you guys, just like the kind of the Goose one. That got me 35k views. And today this one's gonna get me 50,000 views, baby. Not even 50,000. Let's go with the 100, baby. 100. Let's go, baby. Here's the box. Look at that box. Look at that box. Look at that box. Woohoo! Here we go, baby. Got the box on deck. Woo yeah! Feel like $1,000,000 with this box, huh? Need a thumbnail. Thumbnail. There we go, baby. But yeah, look at this box, guys. Like, it is beautiful, man. Look at the colors. It is gorgeous. Intel inside. G edition for gangsta. Yeah, 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 buddy. Let's go. Look at the box, though. Look at the box. Please tell me it's not nice. Hold up. Let's bring a flashback. Yes. You already know, guys. That's a flashback right there. When I did the kind of the Goose, had my dog in the video. But yeah, look at the box. Guys, I'm like so happy. You guys don't even know how happy I am with this box. This new laptop, you know? It's all about leveling up in life, baby. This is how you open it. How do you open this? Oh, there's tape right here. Let me take out the tape. I'm so excited. Guys, tell me the box is not beautiful. So you know you're getting something good. Brand new, baby. Never been used, never been opened. Let's go. You guys ready? Woo, woo, look at this beauty. Right, Rosita? Oh, look at that. Oh, oh, yeah, buddy. Look, let me show you guys better close up. Look at that. Beautiful box. Beautiful laptop. Let's not drop it. Guys, this is beautiful. Oh no, Osita, what do you say, Osita? Is it beautiful, this laptop, or what? Let me know. Tell them, Osita, is it beautiful? Yo, guys, this box, laptop, I'm in love with it. So it comes with a plastic wrap around it. Sorry guys, but you already know it doesn't come with this handsome fly baby, okay? That's extra, a lot of money extra if you want him. So I'm gonna see what it comes with, guys. Go a little bit down there. Open this bad boy up. Boom. I think the guy told me it comes with 1-year warranty. You are covered. Nice. Pulsar product review registered with origin light. Okay, we got this. What's in here? Something in here? What the hell's in here? What the hell's in here? I don't want to break it, but man, this is tight. What's in here? Nothing's in here, guy. I'm just fighting with this thing right now. Better not ruin my video, guy. Yo, we're gonna go open with this one now. Got this. charger. Connects with this, guys. What else we have in here? That's it, guys. That's all it came with, guys. So you know what? I'll be back. Let me open the door. Right now, gonna take it out. Had to change the camera scene, of course. Look at that. Woohoo! Oh yeah, baby. I fell in love with this laptop. Like, yo guys, this laptop is so sexy. I'd always go look at it. And today I said it's my day to get it. Okay. So excited. You guys ready? Look at it. Has a nice texture. It's like matte. Asus sign. You already know. Here's the fans. Can you see the fan? One fan here, one fan here, guys. Look at that. Look how nice it looks. Oh. This is gorgeous, guys. So happy I got this bad boy. It was a matter of time. Ooh. Oh, and it comes with this too. What? That's sick. I'm gonna keep this always. Nice. Does it turn on or needs to be charged? Nope, it needs to be charged, guys. So I'll be back. Let me go charge this bad boy. You guys already know the vibes, guys. I'm pretty sure you guys get happy when you guys buy something brand new like that, especially when it costs over $1,000, guys, like a brand new iPhone, a brand new car, something, you know, that you love and you like and that you want, right? Yeah, it costs money, but hey, sometimes you gotta spend some money, right? You live once, guys. The money doesn't come with you when you die, so enjoy yourself while you can, but with the vibes here. Thumbs up the video, because this video is going viral. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Let's go back. Look at the box. Look at the box though. Oh my gosh. I love you. Love the box. This box is so sexy. Every time I get something that's like $1,000, guys, the box just feels beautiful. I don't know what it is. I love it. Okay, guys, move this aside. Let's hope it turns on smooth. Holy, this is beautiful, man. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now turn it on. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at the colors. Look at the colors on this bad boy. Look at the colors on this bad boy, baby. What? Let's go. Oh my gosh, this is why I love this laptop, guys. Look at this. You're telling me this is not sexy. Let's go, baby. Look at that. Just look at that. Look at that. Baby, it's a party. Look at that. Oh my gosh, baby. This is what you're paying for, baby. Look at that. Ooh, look at that noise, guy. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Yo, did you guys hear that? Okay, let me turn it back on. Yo, I'm loving this laptop already, guys. Wi-Fi 6, Intel i5 10 Gen, GeForce GTX, English. Boom.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Who's knocking? I got this one. I got the door. This is a worse sign to make my video. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'll be back. This is what YouTubers gotta do sometimes, go through, man. Okay guys, I just finished. Let me show you guys how it looks. This is how it's looking, baby. This is unreal, guys. Like, okay, let me go to this video quick, see how it looks.
Now you can get $300.
Nice, I got an add-on on my video. Let's go. Okay, I'll just skip the ad for you guys. That looks sick, guys. Like, I'm gonna finish. It's the Windows includes. Okay, so it's 59%, guys. Show this laptop, guys. It's on fire, guys. I'm telling you. I love this laptop already, man. I can't wait to use it. I might buy some program with it. It costs $100 this program to edit, right? I might. I want to see first if the one that comes with this laptop is good. If not, I'll buy a new one. Like, not a new laptop. I'll buy a better video editor, guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video can take off, man. Just like my Goose video. Please YouTube, get this video to at least 50,000 likes, baby. Can we get it? I don't think so. I do think so. So does YouTube. I love YouTube. I love all you guys watching me. I'm gonna end the video here. Just remember one thing though. I'll be back though. Yeah. Stay fly. You're now leaving the fly world.